Mates in 2 moves. Checkmate puzzles are fun to solve and helpful in games. Let's set up our board first. This particular video will help you become more opportunistic and better at spotting tactics quickly, which is crucial in fast-paced chess games. This checkmate puzzle have been purposely designed to be as difficult as possible and require extreme creativity and understanding of tactical themes to solve. Give yourself ample time, up to 15 minutes, as these are all very hard. For this video, you'll have only 15 seconds to solve this puzzle. If you need more time, pause the video before the timer runs out. If you get a solution right, give yourself 1 point. If you don't get it right, you don't get any points for that puzzle. Finally, puzzle is ready for play. White can win in just 2 moves. If you play a forced checkmate correctly, your opponent can't avoid losing, even with the best defense. Can you find the right ones? Time starts now. Share your progress with us at the end of the video. Feel free to use the comment section. If you appreciate our work, please consider giving us a super thanks. Your support greatly aids our channel in delivering high-quality content. Let's check out the solution. Basically, there are 2 solutions for this mate in 2 puzzle. Let's check out the solutions. First, move your bishop to capture the black pawn and put your opponent in check by placing it on f7. Now black captures your bishop with their queen to remove the check. Now move your queen to d8 for checkmate. Next, let's check out solution 2. What happens if black captures your bishop with their king instead of the queen? In this scenario, move your queen to g6 for checkmate. Don't forget to hit that like button and smash subscribe. Thanks for watching.